will be sitting or you will be standing before you get that very dangerous photo shot. Our next stop is the Gülek Castle, and the Gülek Castle is just over there. And they say if you go and if you climb up there, your adrenaline in your body will suddenly come out. We are at the edge of Gülek Castle, and we are having our breakfast here in the cliff. That's it, everyone. So this is the place where you can sit or where you can stand to take your dangerous best shot photo here in Gülek Castle. And then I will show you later where the photographer will stand so he can take your best shot ever. Now, my photographer is shooting me with a 50mm zoom lens. And this is the result. If you want to experience that dangerous kind of photo shoot, you can visit this place just here in Tarsus district. And then from Tarsus City, you can drive your car until here for 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. And from Adana City, you can drive your car roughly 1 to 1.5 hours. And then later, I will show you the drone video of this place. Oh, oh my God. Ha! Thank you everyone for watching my video. Did you like this place? If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my upcoming videos. Bye everyone!